Ewald here from Valley Road Motorcycles. Bike of the week this week is a 2014 Harley-Davidson Breakout. The first thing you notice on the Breakout is the huge wheels. It's got a 21-inch front wheel with a wide rear tire, and it gives that whole chopper look feel that you normally only get on your custom choppers at a way more expensive price tag than what we've got here. This Breakout has been stage 1, meaning it's got induction done, Screaming Eagles, it's got Vance & Arns pipes on it, and then it's got the Pro Tuner mod on it as well, allowing you to fine-tune your air-fuel ratio. The most recognizable part of this motorcycle is its wide 240mm rear tire. The Breakout comes with a 103B twin-cam motor. That's a 103 cubic inch motor, and that's equivalent to 1690cc motor, and it boasts with 132 foot-pounds of torque. It's got the factory hard candy custom paint job on it. If you would like any more information on this motorcycle, please visit our website at valleyroadmotorcycles.online or just drop me a message. Have a great day.